Welcome to Pop-Up Cantonese. I'm Brendan.
大家好，我係 Nicole。
And in today's beginner dialogue, we teach you how to talk smack on other people's boyfriends. Let's listen.
哇！你男朋友啊？
唔係，我男朋友呢？
咁樣衰，你都啃得落？
我都話嗰個唔係我男朋友咯。
唉，你啲 taste 真係好差啊！哇！你男朋友啊？
唔係，我男朋友呢？
咁樣衰，你都啃得落？
我都話嗰個唔係我男朋友咯。
唉，你啲 taste 真係好差啊！
Alright, now we're going to go through this word by word, line by line. This is longer than some of the other dialogues we've done at this level. So we're going to just work through it and make sure everybody knows what's going on.
哇！你男朋友啊？
哇！你男朋友啊？
Wow, your boyfriend?
哇！你男朋友啊？
唔係，我男朋友呢？
唔係，我男朋友。
No, my boyfriend.
唔係，我男朋友。
唔係，我男朋友呢？
咁樣衰？
咁樣衰？
So ugly.
咁樣衰？
你都啃得落？
你都啃得落？
And you're dating him?
你都啃得落？
我都話嗰個唔係我男朋友咯。
我都話嗰個唔係我男朋友咯。
I told you.
我都話
That guy is not my boyfriend.
嗰個唔係我男朋友咯。
唉，你啲 taste 真係好差啊！
你啲 taste 真係好差。
Your taste is awful.
你啲 taste 真係好差。
So our key vocab before we send you back to the dialogue are the words for boyfriend,
男朋友、
girlfriend,
女朋友、
ugly,
樣衰、
and then sort of slangy, gossipy term for, basically to date somebody.
啃得落。 男朋友、女朋友、樣衰、啃得落。 That's literally swallow. 啃得落。
Yeah, or to swallow and keep down.
Yeah.
Right?
啃得落。
哇！你男朋友啊？
唔係，我男朋友呢？
咁樣衰，你都啃得落？
我都話嗰個唔係我男朋友咯。
唉，你啲 taste 真係好差啊！
Now, we already did the key vocab for this lesson, but a quick refresher. We have boyfriend
男朋友、
and girlfriend.
女朋友。
And as you've probably figured out, these words are put together actually the same way as the English words. You
Yes.
have the words for boy,
男、
girl,
女、
and friend.
朋友。
哇！ 你男朋友啊
Wow, your boyfriend?
樣衰
咁樣衰
So ugly. We have this word gam, which is sort of like, so or so much so.
Yeah. And it's always followed by the adjective.
Yeah. So we see it in the sentence,
咁樣衰
so ugly.
咁樣衰
Now, later on in the dialogue, we've got a word that does a similar thing. It's more like, really. We see that in the line, you have really got awful taste.
你啲 taste 真係好差
唉，你啲 taste 真係好差啊
Yeah, it's the last half of that. After taste or tasty is, it really is truly awful.
真係好差
Yeah, and so if we want to say really ugly, we can borrow that
真係好
and put it before the word for ugly.
樣衰真係好樣衰真係好樣衰 And the opposite is 真係好靚 which is much nicer to say.
Well, yeah, but we're, in this lesson, we're covering gossip
Okay,
and
sure.
bad-mouthing. But yeah, if you want to be nice, you could say, wow, so pretty.
哇咁靚哇咁靚
Or really pretty.
真係好靚真係好靚
We also have this nice little bit of gossipy Cantonese slang for it's not really to date somebody, it's to stomach somebody.
Yes.
Right? Literally to eat and keep down.
啃得落啃得落
Finally, we've got the word for taste.
taste
Tasty. And so in addition to saying that somebody has terrible taste,
taste 好差
you can also just say that somebody has no taste.
冇 taste
Finally, we've got a new word for to say. Earlier we learned to speak,
講
as in to speak a language. Here we have said, as in I said he's not my boyfriend.
我都話佢唔係我男朋友咯
Yeah, wa
話
meaning to say.
我都話佢唔係我男朋友咯
Now, in the dialogue, we've got this nice, actually fairly complicated sentence. So ugly, you're going out with him?
咁樣衰你都啃得落
It's basically two halves of a single thought.
Yes.
They're not explicitly connected. There's no but there, there's no still or anything like that. But they're clearly related.
Right.
So ugly, but you're dating him.
咁樣衰你都啃得落
咁樣衰你都啃得落
For a grammar point today, we want to look at a few more sentences that have this pattern.
咁好食佢都唔鍾意
So delicious,
咁好食
and she still didn't like it.
佢都唔鍾意咁好食佢都唔鍾意
Right, so the but here, as in the previous sentences, is unspoken.
Right. And the last example, it's slightly different.
Yeah.
你咁叻都聽唔明
You're so smart, but you still don't understand.
你咁叻都聽唔明
Yeah, lek is a nice word for smart or clever.
Yes, 叻
So, you're so smart,
你咁叻
don't understand.
都聽唔明。
And here, as before, the but or the still is unspoken.
Yeah, but we've got a 都 here, which means even.
Yeah, exactly. Do is the closest thing to still, I think, in this sentence.
Yeah.
And that do shows up in all of these sentences. And it's emphasizing the verb that comes after it, or the verb clause that comes after it.
Yeah.
Bearing all that in mind, let's go back to the dialogue one last time, and then we'll be back with some closing thoughts.
Wow, 你男朋友啊？
唔係我男朋友呢，
咁樣衰，你都啃得落？
我都話嗰個唔係我男朋友咯。
唉，你啲 taste 真係好差啊！
So I remember the last time I was down in Hong Kong, I was reading a couple of Hong Kong gossip magazines.
Plenty of them.
Yeah, and they're really mean. They're really, really, really mean. Like there was an article about Mark Zuckerberg's girlfriend.
Yeah.
And I think the title of the article was something like, "Why is Mark Zuckerberg's girlfriend so beat?" Like it was really like, and they had like just several pages just
Well, yeah.
dissecting this girl. It was really awful.
And mostly with pictures and with
Yeah.
funny comics and all that.
Yeah, pictures and like funny fonts and little cartoon characters drawn there.
How do
It was
you do that?
really, it was bizarre. So, someday, the next time you want reading material in Cantonese, gossip magazines are the way to go.
Yeah, the paparazzi there is
Yeah.
really something.
If you have any questions either about the hidden lives of Hong Kong celebrities or the vocab or grammar we covered in this lesson,
Leave us a post at popupcantonese.com.
or write to us. I'm Brendan at popupcantonese.com.
And I'm Nicole at popupcantonese.com.
Thanks for listening.
Bye bye.